see it really or not.
So if there's too much thread,
It rubs against that thing and it doesn't
it
go
won't.
around properly.
Right, okay.
But it seems to be okay because it turns. See it? How it turns when I pull?
Yep.
Okay. So you cannot let it come out. So you're going to go through here. Just pull and it'll go through by itself. You don't even know. There it is. You see it? There's a slot right there.
Yep.
Just pull the thread there and it goes in by itself. And then you come over here and you go around that silly thing. And then in the center. And then we're going to put it in there.
Even where?
Right there.
Oh, okay.
And it has to be, is that dust? It has to be like this, facing up. Just put it in. And then you're picking up this thread here by letting it go in and pick it up. And there it is. But it's supposed to be up here, not down there. Okay, I was pulling the wrong one. Something's not right. What is it? I don't know this. Yeah. Okay, so this thread, when it goes down, is supposed to pick up this one and bring it up. Okay, see? Go down and bring it up, but it's not picking it up. Yes, it is. There it is. Whoops. Probably there is too much thread. You see it? How I brought it up? And now you got two things to work with. Okay. Yeah?
Yep.
Close the thing, you're ready to sew.